Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to add a QR code to your Simplebooklets navbar. This is perfect if you want your readers to quickly access and share your booklet, especially great for printed materials, events, or marketing campaigns. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Share button. So as you can see here, I already have the QR code option toggled on. I'm going to make sure that is on. And then over here on the right-hand side, this is the live preview drawer. So this basically shows us exactly what our viewers will be seeing when they click on the Share section of our navbar. And so as we make changes over here, they will automatically update over on this side. So you can see when I toggle it off and then toggle it back on, it will appear again. And yeah, this is exactly what our users will be seeing. You got the QR code here, and then there's also a download option if they wanted to download the QR code themselves to their files. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Your changes will be saved automatically. When you're done, simply just close the drawer. Your Simplebooklet is now shareable via QR code directly from the Share section of your navbar. The QR code feature enhances the action stage of the reader's journey. It makes it super easy for readers to access your booklet on the go and share it with others. Like I said before, perfect for offline marketing or printed materials. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.